If you've ever needed to type in columns of information and you want your columns lined up on the leftmost character or centered somewhere other than the center of the page, or lined up on the rightmost character, or lined up on the decimal, then tabs will save you a tremendous amount of time. The ruler plays a key part in making tabs easy. So if you don't see the ruler, just go up to the View tab and make sure there's a check on Ruler. The tab button is located at the far left of the ruler, and this is a symbol for a left tab. So while that's selected, I'll click on the ruler where I'd like my left tab applied. When I come back, if I click again, that's a symbol for a center tab, right tab, and decimal tab. Now I'll quickly place one of each of these types of tabs on the ruler. Now watch as I type in data, and I'll press the tab key to move between the tab stops. And notice how nicely the data lines up.